welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is the high-profile green aluminum case with a V6 Planck PC board from OLKB. So this one is the low-profile keyboard with the PC board. So it comes with the PBT keycap set, switches, cable, and hardware. Besides the screw and stabilizer not included. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. By the way, my son got this, I think it was like a 69 plus something tax and shipping fee, but he got the $20 coupon. So total is about $60 something out the door. And my son bought the switches. It's on the way right now, so wow, it's pretty heavy. This is a mechanical keyboard. Here's the product description. Come with the instruction, although this is used. Come with the hardware right here, and a screw. Yeah, it feels like metal is pretty cold. And here's a aluminum case with the PC board right there. So it doesn't come with the cable. And you got the two of the big rubber feet and then two small ones. So according to my son, just this set, original retail price is about $100 already with the cable though. And these are the keycap. I think it's about 20 something bucks if you buy it separately. Wow, look at that. It's so nice. You get a closer look. So you can use a QMK configurator software, and then we're doing the test. to make sure all the keys are working properly. We short it with the tweezer, and then once you short it, the key will turn to green. I'm not sure why the R is in red. It says a charger has been detected. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And hopefully we could show you guys on how to put this together with the switches and with a close-up. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like always, peace.